What's up, my name's TechNubber here for TrouBleShoot, and in this short video series, I'll be going through some really common issues and fixes for the CrewLink app. Basically, CrewLink is a mod for the popular game Among Us that allows you to hear and speak to players in the same local area as you. It's proximity voice chat. It's become a really popular mod, and because of it, there's quite a few issues coming to the default public server or common public servers that you're connected to. If you're in a game with other people and you see a red circle around you or other players, there's a couple of fixes that we'll go through here. Number 1, make sure that everyone, or at least the people that have red circles around them in-game, have CrewLink installed and set up properly, and simply make sure that you're connected to the same public or private server inside of CrewLink. You all need to be on the exact same server IP to be able to hear each other. You can check your current server IP by opening up CrewLink, clicking the settings button in the top left, and scrolling down to the very bottom. You'll then see your voice server listed over here. Simply change this to match the exact same one as other people. So if you talk and the circle highlights as you'd expect, but it's red, then the server that you're connected to at the moment is having issues, is offline, or your internet has general issues. You can try using a private server hosted by someone other than the original mod developer, or if you're already on a custom server, then try using another one or the official server, which you'll find the IP to in the description down below. If everyone in the game is red, including or excluding you, again the server that you're connected to is having issues. Try another server. If everyone is talking just fine and you're not able to talk or hear them properly, make sure that your microphone is working in other software like Discord, then make sure that CrewLink actually has access to your mic. The simplest way to make sure is simply restarting your PC and opening nothing but CrewLink, then Steam, and then finally Among Us. This makes sure that nothing can take full control of your microphone and stop CrewLink from working properly. You'll know that CrewLink can hear you speaking if as soon as you stop speaking, the circle around your image disappears. Then, if you're in a game, your circle is appearing and working as expected, but others can't hear you, then simply make sure that you're on the same CrewLink server as other players, and of course, make sure you're not accidentally in push-to-talk mode, and if you are, make sure that you're holding down the correct key to speak. As far as I've heard, this key to speak only works when you're tabbed into Among Us. If you have one screen, you can make Among Us windowed mode by hitting Alt-Enter and making it smaller. This way, you can tell that when you're holding down the push-to-talk key, whether it's working or not inside of CrewLink. You can also see people or hear other people's reactions in Discord or something else like that. Anyway, these are the most common fixes for CrewLink when you see a red circle around you or other players. It's more than likely a server issue, and a simple server update, restart, or changing to a different server can be enough to fix it. A server with too many players or a bad connection at the moment will often lead to issues like this. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's been TechNubber here for TrouBleShoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!